Welcome to our video about writing conclusions for your semiotic analysis. Now, when you write a conclusion, it needs to wrap up all of the ideas that you talked about in the essay. A conclusion should not add any new ideas. If you find that you're adding a new idea in a conclusion, you then need to think about whether you can add that idea and develop it with evidence within a paragraph in the body of the essay. So a conclusion needs to do two main things. It needs to summarize your answer to the question and the key reasons for your answer. And then to wrap up the conclusion, to end your essay nice and neatly, you need to think about the question, so what? What does all of this mean? You can go back and think about, why did you choose this ad in the first place? What makes this ad meaningful, important, controversial, offensive? Think about why overall this analysis that you have provided is important or interesting or useful or an insight into gender studies. So let's take a sample conclusion. Here, the author has summarized their argument and key reasons. So you see that they're bringing together their argument that the ad's meaning is about sexual abuse. So overall, the ad's meaning is about the burden of sexual abuse. The reasons that they provide touch on ideology, the semiotic elements of the ad, and how the meaning is communicated. So the semiotic analysis of the ad is coming through there and referring back to the ideas that relate to Williamson, Barth, and Althusser are very clear from this conclusion. They also end the conclusion by talking about why overall the ad is communicative. So they talk about how the ad is successful because it's conveyed meaning to the readers of this particular ad. So they go back to that question about, how do images or how do signs create meaning? So that's one way to conclude an essay. But for you, think about what you find most interesting about your ad to help you wrap up your conclusion. In the following video, we're going to be talking about how to edit your essay